Hello guys and welcome back again to AutoCAD class. I hope you are doing very well. I really hope you are doing very well. And that you're also learning with the help of our video. In today's lesson, we are going to explore more tools in the solid editing. Remember, we are still in the 3D modeling workspace. And so if you are ready to learn with me, let's jump straight into the video. So I'm going to draw or provide some one or two models, and we are going to understand the solid, the sec, and the subtract as well as other editing tools in the solid panel here. So let me have a sketch. The last time we drew a table, right? So let's try and see whether we can draw again and use that one to explain the concept. Okay, so let me draw a table again. 400 have the average. I think this is good, right? And I'm going to fillet it. Okay, so select, okay. I want to use a radius of 15. Select this side. You can actually do multiple selection, okay, if um you want to increase efficiency. Right? So that's that. And I'm going to draw the circle again, right? So circle here. Okay. And I'm going to draw another one here. Okay. All right, then I'm going to mirror both something. So type mirror. Select the two. And I'm specifying, I think, the midpoint. I want to select the midpoints. We change this to green in the post here. So I come to the object slot. Then I put midpoint. Okay. So from there, I can now select the midpoint. All right. So let's switch to the 3D orientation and let's start modeling. So I'll come to the top here. I'll select towards isometric orientation and I'm going to extrude. So select extrude command. This press enter. Then I'm going to extrude. Then I'm going to extrude again. Right. So right click, select extrude, and if possible, select these nose. Okay. I'm going to extrude and press enter. And let's extrude them. Let's come up. I want to show you something. Let's come up like this orientation. This time around, the opposite. Okay. Now, so if I change the visual style to, let's say, the conceptual, this is how it looks like. Okay. I normally like the shaded with edges. Okay. So if I put my cursor on it, you realize that this actually is a model, and this is also the raw model. Right. So if I want to join, all I have to do is come to the union here, select union, draw window selection, press enter. Then currently, see when I put my cursor on it, it actually selects everything for me. Control Z, one step backwards. Right. So that's union. Let's try the subtract. Then I'll come back to the section. So for the subtraction, you select, and this is the trick. The first object you select means to keep, right? And the second means to take away from or to remove. So if I select this particular object, I press enter, then I draw a window selection for this, or let me select this. I press enter. You realize that I've taken those two off. So the trick is always the first selection is to keep or the reference, and then the second is to subtract it off. So shift scroll or press the scroll button, right, then you can see the whole view. So that means that is subtraction. All right. So let's try and model something different this time around. Okay. So this time around, let's try and model again. I want to draw a box like this, extrude this way, and I want to change the view to a 2D wireframe. Right. I want to draw a circle. Select circle. Come to this corner here. And let's do a circle. Right. Then let's extrude. Okay. So let's circle. Select it to connect straight to the top. So let's see the realistic conceptual. So this is the model in realistic or conceptual. Now we want to use the intersect. We want to get the intersection. All right. So to intersect, where those two objects intersect will be kept, and then the rest will disappear. Right. So let's see how we use that solid intersection. Select it, and it tells you to select the object. So this object, okay, then this object. Then I press enter, and this is the intersection of those two objects. This image. Okay, so that is that. Very nice. Let's try another one again. This time around, let's slide. Right, how to slice into two. So I come to my box again. Draw a box nicely. Now I'm going to change it and go back to 3D wireframe because normally when it comes to the editing, it's good to have 2D wireframe so that you can see the edges, the vertices, and then you can work on it. So change it to 2D wireframe. Okay, then I'm going to select it tells me to select the object I want to select. Then where do you want to slide? So you want to slide from this corner here, this corner here, and I press it. Then I created a slide. Right. Now let's go back to conceptualize something. So this is the slide. You can see that I put this, the cursor on this is a different model from this one, right? So we can select on type and able to move the object, right? So the reference object, right? So that is the slide. All right. Let's come to one of the favorites, which is the extrude face. There's this tool here, the extrude face. Wonderful, very interesting. Right. So let's see how we can use that one. So again, I'm going to get a box. The box is very easy to use in AutoCAD. Then I want to extrude this face. Like I want to extrude this face. I want to extend it more. Right. So I come to selection. I select this face. But before that, let me change it to only 2D wireframe. Like I said, I like so that I'll be able to see what I'm working on. Select the extrude face. Select this face. Press enter. Then it tells me to specify the height of the extrusion. So maybe I want to extrude backwards. Right. I want to reduce it. So minus, that's I enter minus maybe 25. Then what is the angle? Okay, so if I maintain 0, that means that it's going to extrude straight. If I enter an angle, it's going to create a taper. Right. So if I put 0, and you see it went back by a particular value. That's the value that we get there. So I press enter twice, then I come out. What if you want to extrude this time around in a positive value? So right click, select. Okay, let me go back to the extrude faces. I select this face, press enter. I want to enter the value of, let's say, 50. 0, like that, press enter. Then realize that it increases. That particular face only increases. pieces. Okay. Let's try this time around with respect to angle. So I select this face, press enter. I want to increase it by 100 or maybe 50 again. And this time around, I want to introduce an angle. So let's say the angle of taper for the extrusion. So I enter, let's say 40. Then we see press enter twice. Then we see the angle of taper here. This is a positive value. So when it's a positive value, it kind of bends inside. Okay, if you want to see realistic, you can just change it to concept that you need to see it. So yeah, so you can say maybe this is more like a television, maybe this is the back end, this is the head. Right. So let me go back to 2D wireframe again, and this time around I want to extrude this face, right? So select, and what I'm going to do now is to shift scroll. I want to select this face, press enter. I want to extrude by 50. Okay. And this time around, instead of 40, I'm going to change it to minus 40. Let's see what happens. And press enter twice. And you will see that. Okay, let me change the custom. Let me go back to what I. So you could see that now the taper is coming out. So if it's a negative value, the taper comes out. So this is what I was doing earlier. All right, guys. So that is one thing you can do. There are more tools over there. Now, still with the extrude faces, those kind of, there are more. Okay, so if you click on the drop down arrow, you have the taper feet, you have the move feet, and other ones as well. Let me show you how you can also taper all of that. So back to the 2D, select circle. I want to maybe draw a circle within this space, right? And I'm going to extrude it. So go to extrude, select this, check. Okay, so let's say I want to taper this particular circle here. So I select taper and select the base, which is this. Press enter and then specify the base point. So this is the base point. And you see what specify another point along the axis. You look at the command line. So this is the axis. And telling me to specify the angle. Let me enter trouble. Okay. And you see something interesting, right? So this is it. So let's go to the conceptual and see what happens. So I'm able to create a taper here. Now I can do the subtraction. You know what to do, right? So select subtraction, select this, press enter. That means I want to keep that one. Then select this, press enter. Then I'm able to create some, shape pattern. Let's go back to this southwest. Okay, let me go back to, let me control Z. Show you. I want to show you something. Okay, so let's say I want to offset. All right, so still with the extrusion faces, maybe I want to offset the face. So select this one, select the face. They will tell me to specify the offset distance. So I want to enter negative L, press enter, and then press enter. Then you realize that press enter twice, then you're able to offset the face. Let's do it again. Right. Select the face. Control Z, go back, and let's go again. Select the offset right here. So this is the face. Did I select it? No, I didn't. Oh, I think I went back too much. Okay, so don't worry, let's extrude. Okay. Now I'll extrude to the base here. Alright, then there's do the offset. For instance, select this space. First, I enter a value of let's say 40. Then I'm able to enlarge it. So the offset basically helps you, whatever shape, maybe the small, you can enlarge it, all of that. Okay, let's go to the 2D conceptual. See that right here, can subtract, can do whatever you want. So guys, we would end here, and in the next video, we will end. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.